Good morning, sir. Today, we're going to make an experiment called the one-way light bulbs. But before that, we're going to introduce ourselves. I'm Carlo Arthur Tugo, BSME 2A student.
And I am Carl Andrilo in the BSME 2A.
Capacitor is an electrical component that stores electrical energy. Resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. Jumper wires are electrical wires with connector pins at each end that connect 2 points without soldering. Lead, a semiconductor diode which glows when a voltage is applied. Battery is a device that converts chemical energy directly into electrical energy.
No current flow. If the wire is completely unconnected or not attached to a power source, you won't feel anything because there's no current flowing through the wire. LEDs are considered a revolutionary advancement in lighting technology due to their efficiency, long life, and versatility.
A capacitor works by storing electrical energy in an electric field between two conductive plates separated by an insulating material. Yes, a capacitor typically charges before it interacts with a lead.